Hi, I'm Rushabh Doshi, and today we are at Machine Craft's manufacturing site in the city of Mumbai, where we build thermoforming machines for the packaging industry.
Today we are showing you a 4-station fully automatic thermoforming machine we have built for giving shape to 3-micron thick PET material. The material comes in the form of a roll that is loaded onto the machine using a sheet unwinder. The unwinder in this machine can hold a roll of maximum width 660 mm and 400 kg weight. The machine is a 4-station full servo thermoforming machine with max forming area of 500 by 600 mm. The thermoplastic sheet enters the machine and is heated by infrared ceramic heating elements placed in a grid and zone controlled using the PLC such that the sheet is heated homogeneously. The temperature is set on the touchscreen HMI as per the sheet type and thickness. Once the sheet is heated, it is carried into the forming station by the spike chain indexed by a servo motor. The width of the chain system can be adjusted to suit the mold width and minimize material wastage. The forming tool, preloaded on the forming station, is made using HE30 grade aluminium, CNC machined, polished and drilled with vacuum holes of 0.5 diameter. The tool on the machine is in a configuration of 3x4, so 12 lids can be made in each shot. The machine can do max speed of 30 cycles per minute. 14,400 coffee lids will be made per hour on the machine. There is a pressure box at the bottom of the forming tool, so that there could be force up to 4 bar that can be applied on the heated sheet to give it the shape of the forming tool. This can be set using the pressure gauge. Once the part is formed, the chain takes the sheet into the servo-driven holding press, where a punching die pierces holes in the forming lids. Next, the servo-driven punching station cuts the thermoplastic sheet onto the periphery equally using a steel-ruled cut die. The fine setting of the punching die is done using a special XY mechanism using hand wheels or a motorized mechanism on the press. Once the parts are cut, a servo-driven robotic stacker stacks the final parts onto a conveyor as per the count set on the touchscreen HMI. The scrap is wound on a scrap winder at the end of the machine. The entire process is fully automatic and can be operated with just one operator. The USP of the machine is quick ROI. The 4-station servo thermoforming machine is priced at start price of $150,000. It gives the finished product output of up to 100 tons a month, and the ROI on the machine is approximately 12 months.
Thanks for watching our video. We at Machine Craft would like to work with you as an Indo-German machinery and tooling supplier for your next packaging project.